What the fuck am I doing? What is this? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today's the day. I told you I had no intentions of keeping the R6. I want to keep trading, keep this little kind of series going. So welcome back. First of all, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber counts, and I appreciate all your guys' support. So today we are, I think, so he hasn't seen the bike, but we are going to trade the R6. So I'm cruising over there now. We're gonna go meet this guy, and I'll show you guys potentially what I'm getting. Something completely different. I like this bike. It's an awesome bike, but that's the way she rolls, ladies and gents. I had to throw in a new back tire on the deal for the guy. I'm not gonna send him with a bald tire. And I got the mirrors in my backpack, so those are gonna go with it too. Dude, this thing gets more compliments than my Ducati. I'm not even kidding. It's ridiculous. I think it's the orange or something. I don't know. Literally, everybody gives this thing a thumbs up. It's crazy. The Ducati, nothing. I get nothing. Here we are. What the fuck am I doing? What is this? Holy shit! Look at my hand. Look at my helmet. Woo! Couldn't even tell you what I just traded for. Feel like fucking Sons of Anarchy, baby. Woo! Need to join a biker club now. Needs a little work, but what did I just do? I'm not gonna lie, like, this is very interesting. I don't really know what to say, to be honest with you. This thing vibrates. It vibrates so much. Jesus. Fucking, just need to join a biker club, I guess. That's what needs to happen. I don't know. Yo, if you guys have any suggestions for leather vests, I would be open to those, or maybe leather chaps or anything that nature. Maybe some tassels. Be open to all of that. I'm in a biker gang. What are you looking at, bro? Dude, I feel like I should be like a drug runner or something, like on the like in Nevada, you know. So this thing is a 2008 Sportster 1200 that has like 100 and I don't even know what I just got. It's 117 cubic inch Screaming Eagle stage 3 something or other. I couldn't even tell you. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know. It's got stage 3 cams. It's very shaky. Yeah, I don't know. Don't even it's smooth when the RPMs get up there. You can tell it likes RPMs. I need some saddlebags, I think. It's more or less what I need. I'll do a little walk around of this thing. You guys should trade more often. People are willing to do it, you know. I've always wanted to do that, you know. Honestly, I'm not a fan of Harleys. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, but it's just kind of cool and different. Oh, she just handles. Look at this baby, just handles like a dream. Let's go. Ah, need a ZZ Top beard flapping in the wind. This car stinks like shit in front of me. Look at this thing, just fucking shakes the shit out of you. Yeah, see that? I'm a Harley rider. Yes, you guys never see me in the mirror, now you do. Yeah, fucking going to Hell's Angels, man. Sturgis, baby. I'll do a little walk around here in a bit for you guys. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Yeah, I'm living the American dream, baby. Whoa. Yes. Give me American power. I don't know if I feel like a Hell's Angels or if I feel like a Grand Theft Auto character. I've not decided yet. Alright, you guys, it's the end of the night. I started filming the end of the video and my SD card filled up. So, basically, I'm going to pull over here in a minute and we're going to do a little walk around on this hog. Wonder if he'll do a wheelie. So this is where I did the walk around. Holy moly, look at this. Holy crap. Yo, this thing probably needs fork seals, bro. That thing's really bouncy. Alright, let's do a little walk around. Neutral. 26,332 is what it's got for miles. So the guy, we got a little issue with the title, but we should be getting it taken care of tomorrow, hopefully. Nice. Cool. Alright. Shut this hog off. There we go. Oh yeah. The kickstand needs a spring. So we got a little bungee. You couldn't find the spring anywhere where we live. Let's lean all 800 pounds of it over. Key off. Okay. Here we go. Look at this. Wow. Ooh. Vance Hines America pipes. This spade. Yeah. What else do we got? I think he said it's around 130 horsepower. I think it's probably more like 100 or 110. I don't know. He has dyno sheets, I guess, for it or whatever. White wall tires. Yeah. So this is what he said. And you guys could probably tell me, because I don't know. He said it's a Screamin' Eagle Stage 3 big bore kit with Stage 3 cams. And then it has an ignition for this setup and the pipes. So, and they would run it on 110 octane, which is mind-boggling to me. I'm going to run it on 91. I think a 110 is a little bit overkill for this, but I don't know. Yeah, so that's the bike, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. We got some paint work we need to do right here, and the front fender It's a little janky. I don't know. It's like a boat fender. I could probably just get one at Tractor Supply. But we'll get this taken care of. This tank's in good shape. We're going to give her the old Actionfaktory scrub down. And then, yeah. So, you guys can tell me about this thing, because I don't know anything. Sport bike rider on a Harley. Let's go, baby. Yeah, she'll clean up good. But, woo! That's it for today's video. 2008 KX250, Yamaha R6, Harley Sportster 1200 big bore kit. What's next on the list? I don't know. But that's it for today's video. You guys, I love you guys. Till next time, peace.